Good morning, students. A very happy new year to everyone. Wake up and put it in his bag and take it away. Yes, that's the Sound Collector poem written by you. Watch this clipping.
A stranger called this morning, dressed all in black and grey. Put every sound into a bag and carried them away. The whistling of the kettle, the turning of the lock, the purring of the kitten, the ticking of the clock, the popping of the toaster, the crunching of the flakes. When you spread the marmalade, the crunching noise it makes. The hissing of the frying pan, the ticking of the grill, the bubbling of the bathtub as it starts to fill. The drumming of the raindrops on the window pane. When you do the washing up, the gurgle of the drain. The crying of the baby, the squeaking of the chair, the swishing of the curtain, the creaking of the stair. A stranger called this morning. He didn't leave his name. He left us only silence.
Students, clap for Roger Uncle. So Roger Uncle is describing the scene early morning. So he says, a stranger called this morning, dressed all in black and grey. So what was the dress he was wearing? He was wearing black and grey and put every sound into a bag and carried it away. So what was this man doing? Taking away all the sound that he could hear in the morning. Now what do you hear in the morning? The whistling of the kettle, the turning of the lock, the purring of the kitten, the ticking of the clock. So all this sound he collected and put it in his bag. The popping of the toaster, the crunching of the flakes, and when you spread the marmalade, the scraping noise it makes. So all type of sounds that were heard early in the morning when we are doing something, that he was carrying it away. After some time it was not heard. The hissing of the frying pan, the ticking of the grill, the bubbling of the bathtub as it starts to fill. So this is the sound he is describing. The drumming of the raindrops on the window pane when you do the washing up, the gurgle of the drain. So as the water is emptied from the drain, you hear a particular sound, no? That is how he is describing the gurgle of the drain. The crying of the baby, the squeaking of the chair, the swishing of the curtain, the creaking of the stairs. So all these sounds early in the morning we are using and we are hearing. So after use you don't hear it. The stranger called this morning and he didn't leave his name. Left us only silence. Life will never be the same. So what he's saying? That after some time all these sounds were dead and it was very silent. Everybody went to work and there was no sound at all. So that is how the poet is saying that there was only silence and life will never be the same. And this poet is missing all this sound. So the poet is saying life will never be the same, isn't it? Did you enjoy the poem? Students, you saw Roger McGough reciting this poem. So do you know about him? Roger McGough is a writer of poems, plays and books. His poems are usually simple and funny, like this one, no? It was funny. In this poem, the speaker says how a strange person came into his house and quietly stole all the sounds from it. Early in the morning, you hear many sounds in your house, and after that, what happens? Slowly, as everybody gets off to work, every sound is gone and there is only silence, isn't it? Students, when it is all silent around, it is the best time to study. So all of you hurry and attempt the book exercises. I have shared the answers in this videos, so you can check your answers. So all the best, study well, study regularly and be good children. Thank you. Bye.